Hey there, fellow travelers. If you're a Citi Strata cardholder, you're probably sitting on a goldmine of points just waiting to be turned into your next epic trip. In today's video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about booking flights with Citi Strata points. It's easier than you think, and it can save you a ton of money. Let's dive right in. First off, what exactly are Citi Strata points? They're rewards points you earn from your everyday spending with the Citi Strata Premier Card. You get bonus points on categories like dining, groceries, and travel, making it a fantastic tool for frequent flyers. The best part? These points can be redeemed for flights, hotels, and more through Citi's travel portal or by transferring to airline partners. To get started, make sure you have your Citi Strata card and online account set up. Log into your Citi account via the website or app. It's straightforward and secure. Once you're in, head over to the rewards section. Here, you'll see your total points balance. Now, for booking flights, click on the Travel or Book with Points option. You'll be directed to a search page where you can enter your travel details, like departure city, destination, dates, and number of passengers. Pro tip: always compare the value. Sometimes, transferring points to partner airlines like American Airlines or JetBlue gives you more bang for your buck than booking directly through Citi. Just search for available flights, select the one you want, and choose to pay with your points. Double-check the redemption rates. Typically, 1 point equals about 1 cent in value, but it varies. One common mistake to avoid is not checking for blackout dates or availability issues, so plan ahead. Also, if you're new to this, start with a short domestic flight to test the waters. Once you've confirmed your booking, you'll get a confirmation email, and you're all set for takeoff. There you have it. Booking flights with Citi Strata points is a game changer for savvy travelers. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.